always on stage, there's a certain amount of humor expected, always, because you're, like Saif said, you're extremely witty. And so what kind of humor are we expecting? Do you change your humor with the city? Because now I was with you at the Dream Tour in New York. And you were like really out there. I mean, Karan took us by surprise with his jokes. We didn't expect it. He spoke in 5-6 different languages, which we didn't know he knew. And really like excited the crowd. So for New York, do you have anything in store? Like anything you're going to speak in any language? That
no, not particularly for New York. But I think when you actually host, I think it's very important that you be just that, a host. You forget what you do.
But you do take over.
Even it's not about taking over. It's about actually the chemistry that...
He does.
Oh, that's good.
You can say again, he'll be very happy about that. I'll just be reading all the sponsor names out and Saif will be staring beautifully into space.
This is a lie. Karan Johar ji बहुत improvise करते हैं जब stage पे बहुत ज़्यादा improvise करते हैं और फिर कुछ काटना पड़ता है हमें, but this
नहीं, live है, बिल्कुल नहीं काट सकते हम. No, but I think it's not about playing to New York or to London or the various wonderful locations IFA has hosted. It's actually just making sure that, you know, your script is audience friendly, because you're not only just connecting to the 40,000 people in the audience, but to the 40 million people who will eventually watch it on television. So you have to connect to the viewer in every which way. And so your script and what you say, and I always tell people, like, of course, Saif is a veteran, he's done so many events, but I always tell people, when you're hosting, look at the prompter only for your look to camera. Don't keep connecting with people, because eventually you're going to be on television and you're going to be talking to the viewer. It's a minor tip.
Because I always get lost, because whenever I'm performing, and only my mom from my family wants to come and see my performances, and I always see her and she, like, for some reason she's sweating or she's nervous कि अब कुछ गलत करेगा, अब गिर जाएगा, something will go wrong. So even if I'm dancing full like this.
But I have the same feeling when I watch you also. I also get very worried, because I feel that in your excitement, besides your shirt, many other garments also might come off. So that's my big fear, because when Varun performs or does anything, he has no sense of self-control. He goes mad. But that's what's great about him, because he plays to the gallery.
I surrender to the music.
Yeah.
I surrender.
You surrender to the music.
Yeah.
Considering you didn't sing it, I don't know why you're surrendering. But anyway.
Because dance and surrender as well.
And the last question which I want to ask you, Karan, especially, is that, are you going to be dancing at IFA 2017? I mean, because we've seen you dancing, especially on the Colors channel.
At some point, man.
Yeah,
sure.
Because he's
I don't know how
really
public
good.
It will be, but he will dance.
No.
Will you shake a leg? I mean, you
no,
are really good.
Is that in my contract?
Andre, what do you feel? Yeah.
Oh, we're both going to dance. Okay. I didn't think we were paid enough then. No one told us that we were going to dance. No, I don't think, I don't know. No, it's not at all. No such thing. No, I will not be dancing. Quite.
He'd be happy to, you know he'd be happy.
Yes, of course.
I know he is going to, I know.
Yeah.
I just thought he'll tell us which song, but okay, that's a surprise.
No.
That's a surprise for later.
Thank you, but we have questions to ask you, Varun, as well.
I thought it was only me asking always.
No, we have questions to
way.
ask you. So you have like so many amazing beauties performing this time in IFA. We have Katrina and you have Alia. Who's your preferred movie star between them?
Between both of them?
Katrina and Alia?
I mean, they both are like different looking.
Most people are different looking. We're different from each other as well.
I like both. I mean, I like both.
You like both?
Great. That's what you should say.
Yeah, I like both. Yeah.
You like both?
I like both. They both are very nice human beings.
Yeah.
They're nice people.
Oh, and that's what you look for in their quality of humanity.
No, like in a dancer.
In a dancer.
I mean,
but they're not dancers. They're movie stars. They're actors.
Yeah. You want, like, I feel if there's goodness within it, comes out in the performance. Even if you're like doing like the Chikni Chameli step. I mean, the goodness always comes through.
Especially in the Chikni
Especially in a song like that. Definitely.
Okay. All right. This is your first time in IFA.
Already feeling like I'm getting ragged now on stage. I'm feeling.
No, I love you too much to rag you. But this is your first time in IFA. So what do you think is going to be your biggest take back from this humongous event that's going to unfold on the 13th of July?
Should I say what I'm doing? I can say, okay, so this time, I think first time in my career, what I'm doing is I'm paying tribute to my father. So I'm going to be performing on all his songs, starting from Swarg, coming down to Main Tera Hero, and eventually we'll be doing one of the newer songs of Judwa too. Also.
Okay, fantastic. Well, we look forward. We're doing a segment with you as well. Yeah. Are you looking forward to that, Saif?
Of course I am.
Yeah. Why?
I'm asking myself that also. Because, you know, he's so lovely and nice and talented and humble and
available,
handsome. I mean, you know.
He's also going to be
I don't know if
there.
that's the right adjective.
That is a very important prerequisite to host availability. Access,
Present,
availability,
alive.
all that.
You can message me anytime, I'll be there.
Thank you, Varun. And thank you. Now.
Thank you.
Thank you.